Good Wednesday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our market intel brief here at TOPGUN Options. My name is Matthew Buckley. You can call me Wiz, and thank God for bearish double verticals. Last week, we put on an S&P 500 bear put spread through the election, through November 4th, because the hair on the back of my neck was standing up. Look at these rip your face off rallies. You ready for this one back at the beginning of August? Rip your face off rally, fade back to the 20-day. Next one. Medium rip your face off rally, fade to the 20-day. And then this recent one, kind of a baby, not even a rip your face off rally, hover. And last Tuesday, I said, you know what? I'm going to put on what I called a hedge at that time. I have a lot of long-term bullish positions. I said, you know what? I'm going to just go buy a little protection. But 2 days ago, we put on a bear call spread on the S&P 500. So we legged into a tactic called a bearish double vertical that prints money if the market moves violently in the direction that you think. And it did. What did I tell you last week? I said, I'm pretty damn sure we're going to go back to we're going to fade to the 20-day moving average rate here. What did we do? We went through it. And then as of me kind of jumping on the air right now, 57.87, we are literally stuck at this 20-day moving average. What did I just post over here? Look at that. Boom. Thank God for the bearish double verticals. And I'm reminding everybody, take profits, right? So I'm closing the bear put spread that we put on a week ago for a 50% profit in a week. Like I said, it went right down to the 20-day moving average, and I'm holding the bear call spread. Actually, I think we put it on yesterday. Monday would be solo Amazon. We put it on yesterday in the primary live trade brief. So let's just go take a look at the market. Here we are yesterday. Let me open up the trade a little, the chart a little bit. Here's Tuesday. So yesterday we put on a bear call spread on the S&P 500, and what happened today? Absolute implosion through the 20-day moving average, and now we're kind of hovering up a little bit here. So it went from a hedge to a trade, right? A trade that acts like a hedge as well. A trade, I want to make money. I don't place a trade if I think I'm going to lose money. A hedge, I don't mind losing money because a hedge is protecting my longs. But in this case, I splice those two words together and I call it a trade. A trade that is, I'm pretty damn sure is going to make money and it's going to protect my longs in case the market pulls back. So again, you fly and fight your own airplane. You are the tick. You're the trader in command. I don't sign for your portfolio. You don't fly mine. You sign for your own jet. So take profits on that bearish double vertical when you see fit. Just awesome trading. I love when I can teach people how to make money as the market's going down, right? Everybody's a genius when the market's going straight up, all right, folks? No. The only true geniuses, genii, in the market are people like me and TOPGUN Options members when the market rolls over and falls hard, which is what it's doing. Hey, before I forget, I need you to round up. I need you to pitch into the fight to help save and change the lives of our veterans, first responders, and their family members. At the link in my bio or the link in this email, wherever you're watching this video, there's a way for you to click and go to this page. It's called Round Up for Change, okay? You can register one of your credit cards or a couple of your credit cards. That would be fantastic. And just pick a dollar amount. Hey, I want to round up to the next dollar, $5, even $10. And those roundups go right to the No Fallen Heroes Foundation, folks, to fund healing grants, right, for our heroes. Put the ladder down, folks. These heroes served us. Now it's time to serve them. And when you register, use the word heroes, right? The word heroes right there. But when you register, folks, you pick the max dollar amount that you will donate on a monthly basis. Hey, the most I want to round up on a monthly basis is $100 or $50 or even $25. That's the maximum it will round up to and go to the foundation. You choose, folks. This roundup is fantastic. People love it because they're like, dude, I just set it and forget it. It's on autopilot and I don't have to worry about it again. So $25, $50, $75, $100, folks. If you could round up to support your loose change to the No Fallen Heroes Foundation, every bit helps. we get enough people, man. We're funding healing grants on a monthly basis for our heroes. So please, I'm begging you, man, help pitch into the fight to help save and change the lives of our nation's heroes. What else did we talk about today? Starbucks, man. Starbucks shares slide after coffee chain says sales fell again and suspends their outlook. What did I tell you in the brief, man? Pound this stock into the dirt. Let's pull up Starbucks, SPUX. Told you to get bearish on this stock. We're hovering right now, but I would fade this rally. Look at this. So back here in mid-August, they hired away the CEO of Chipotle and brought him over to here, right? So yay, the stock popped. And then we've been range bound, right? We've been range bound waiting to see what this new guy is going to do. And that's the earnings. Horrible earnings, and we're suspending our guidance. We don't even know how we're going to be doing in the future. That ain't bullish. I would keep this on your watch list as a potential bearish trade. This week, we also got more bullish on Raytheon, RTX. This is the head, unlike Starbucks, that's a pretty crappy headline. This is the headline you want for a stock that you're bullish on. RTX, Raytheon, swings to profit, raises guidance. Folks, I hate talking like this, but this is a war trade, man. Look at Raytheon. If you got bullish on Raytheon let me open up to a 5-year chart. Look at this. October 8th of last year, the day after the horrific attacks in Israel. If you got bullish on this defense contractor, the stock is up. Wait, let me move that a little bit up to that point. Up 80%. You potentially made 80% in a year if you were long-term bullish on Raytheon stock, 84% to be exact. Look at that. So we added synthetic stock recently. We added look at this. The stock's up a 1.5% today. We added a new bull put spread today out until, let's go take a look. Let's go take a look at our trade alert thread and our hunters. Here it is. Look, new Raytheon bull put spread. Let's go take a look. The 124, 123 out through November 8th. I went bullish on Raytheon through the election because I don't know if Israel's going to attack Iran before the election or after. It's coming in the next 2-3 weeks, in my opinion. So bullish on Raytheon. We covered that stock as well today. And Amazon, we are getting ready for the Death Star to report earnings next week. I think they're going to do great. We got some bullish trades on Amazon as well. Some really good trading going on here, folks. I love what we're doing here at TOPGUN Options. I think if anything, we're probably going to hover here, just like we did these other times that the S&P 500 pulled back to the 20-day moving average. It kind of hangs here for a little bit to find some support and begins a run. But I think we're going to hover here. We got, a week and a half until the to the election, where a lot of unknown going on right now. And before I forget, let's go look at the VIX. Let's go look at the volatility index, see what Chi is doing lately. Nothing. 6-month chart. How about a month? We're elevated, right? Back here is where Israel got attacked by Iran, and the VIX is hanging up here because it's waiting for Israel's response. If they go big, folks, if Israel goes big and goes after the nuke sites, energy, oil infrastructure and military bases, VIX is going to spike, market's going to implode. That's when having the bearish double vertical on would really help. Like I just showed you, I closed the bear call spread for a week, 50% profit. If you think Israel's going to go big, keep your bearish double vertical on, and we might even be going back down here towards the, the 50-day moving average, okay? A lot of good stuff going on. Men lie, trades don't. I just showed you how TOPGUN Options members are printing money as the market goes down. And look at Raytheon. As the S&P is imploding today and the Dow's down over a full percentage point, Raytheon's up. So we're making money in our longs, and we're making money as the S&P 500 pulls back. This is how you do it, folks. Again, click the link in the email or the link in my bio to round up for change, folks. The No Fallen Heroes Foundation needs your support. Every dollar helps, folks. So round up that change to help save and change the lives of our nation's heroes. Going out to Colorado tomorrow. We're going out for Parents Weekend to see my boy Jack at CU. Go Buffs. I think we're playing Cincinnati. So, and it's a late game. It's like 8 o'clock out there, 10 Eastern. So don't stay up to see if you see us in the crowd. So no solo Amazon Monday. Since we're flying back, we'll do a joint brief Tuesday morning, okay? Have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you're hedged, which we are. Fights on. Namaste and basi basi. Wiz out.